Hello future engineers, today we are going to learn the topic in C++. It's very important topic in C++, which is selection sort, and as you know that its time complexity is big of n square. So without any further delay, let's start this video. So these are the header files which is used in C++. These are the header files. C++, and this is the main function, and inside the main functions we are declaring some variables which is I, j and temp, and here we are declaring the value of n is 5. We are declaring the value of n is 5, and here we are also declaring the array of n size, which means we are declaring the array of size 5. So here we have written cout enter the elements of the array. First of all, it will print the message in the console like enter the elements of the array, and in the elements it break the line. As we can say, it print the element in next line. So here we are using the loop, and this loop is used for initialization of elements inside the array. Initializing array elements. So in main logic starts from here. Okay, we can see we have already declared the variable I, j, temp, and we have already declared. So let's say I have initialized some elements in the array. Let's say I have initialized 5, 4, 1, 3 and 2. Here are the 5 elements, and it is stored in the array. Okay, so for I equal to 0, first of all we are setting the value of I is 0. So I is equal to 0. So I is less than n minus 1. As I already told you, the value of n is 5. Then this loop will continue until the value of n minus 1. Means I is less than n minus 1. N equals to 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. And the value of I is 0. Okay. So we can see that this condition is true because 0 is less than 4. So if this condition is true, then we have to see this line. Here it is written that int min equals to I. Means min equals the value of I. The value of I is 0. So min equal to 0. And in another loop, for j equals to I plus 1, j is less than n, and j plus plus. J means I plus 1, means 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, and j is less than n. N means the value of n is 5. So in the next line there is the if condition. If arr means array of j means array of 1, because the value of j is 1 right now. It's less than array of min. We can see the value of min is 0. Then okay, now see in arr1 0 1. In arr1 there is 4 is less than 0. In arr0 there is 5. Yeah, this condition is true. Means if this condition is true, then we have to set the value of j to the min variable. Okay, then min becomes min equals to j means 1. Okay, now our min becomes 1 from 0. from 0 our mean becomes 1. Okay, then our the j loop will increment by 1. J plus plus means it will increment the value by 1. So the value of j is 1 right now, then it will increment by 1 means from 1 j is set to 2. Okay, so at j equals to 2, j equal to 2 and j is less than n means 2 is less than 1. Yeah, condition is true. Then array of j means array of 2. Array of 2 is less than array of mean. Here right now we are having the value of mean is 1. We have data 5 4 1 3 2, 5 4 1 3 2. Error 2 means 0 1 2. Error 2 means this value. Error 2 means 1. 1 is less than error 1 means 4. 1 is less than 4. Yeah, everyone know that 1 is always less than 4. So this condition is true. Yes, 1 is less than 4. So if 1 is less than 4, then we have to shift the value of j to the value of mean. Okay, means the value of j is, right now we are having the value of j is 2. So we have to set mean equals j means 2. So now we are having the new value of mean which is 2. So from 1 now the value of mean is 2. So again the j loop increment by 1 because we are using j plus plus. So at j equals to 3, j equals to 3, 3 is less than 5. Yes, then it will go inside the loop, and inside the loop we have if condition. If array of j means 3, array of 3 is less than array of 3 is less than array of 3 is less than array of mean means 2. So let's check. Array of 3 means 3, array of 3 means 3 is less than array of 2 means 1. We can see this condition is wrong. 3 is not less than 1, right? So we will say no, this condition is wrong. If this condition is wrong, then again we have to increment the value of j by 1. Okay, at j equals to 4, from j equal to 3 it will increment the value of j by 1. So our value of j will become 4. So j equals 4. 4 is less than 5. Yeah, 4 is less than 5, everyone know. Then if array of j means array of 4 is less than array of mean. Okay, so in array of 4 there is value 2, right? 2 is less than array of mean. Mean means the value of mean is 2. It means array 2. In array 2 there is, we have stored the value 1. So 2 is 2 less than 1. I don't think that 2 is less than 1, right? 2 is always greater than 1. So again we have to increase the value of j by 1. We are using this loop. We are using this loop. So if we increment the value of j by 1, then now the value of j will become 5. At j equal to 5, so j is less than n means j means 5 is less than 5. No, 5 is not less than 5, right? So j loop will end here. Then J loop will end here, this loop will end here, this loop end here. Okay, then now we have to increment the if this loop. Okay, now we are on this line. Let's take another page. This page is over. You can see here it is written that temp. We have already declared the variable temp. So in temp there is ARR of min, right? And in min, what is the value of min? Min 2. Temp, temp equals to ARR 2. Okay, 0 1 2. In temp we are storing the array of 2. Array of 2 means what is our array? 0 1 2 means we are storing the value 1. So I am writing this data to here 5 4 1 3 and 2. Temp equals 1, right? So in the next line we have written that array of min equals to array of y. Array of min means what is the value of min? Every time I am forgetting, right? Array of min means array of 2. Array of 2 is less than. No, not less than. What are you saying, man? Array of min equals array of y. Array of y. What is the value of y? Guys, I am asking with you. Anyone who know the value of I, please comment on the comment box. I want to know how many of you are watching this video seriously. In array of, we already know that the value of I is 0. As you can see here, I is 0. Means the value of ARR 0. In ARR 2 we will store the value of ARR 0. Then in ARR 2, array of 0 is 5. Means 5 will go to second index of the array. Means 5. This is in the 0th index, 1st index, 2th index. It means it will transfer from here to here, right? Yeah. Okay. Now let's move to another line. In this, it is written an array of y equals to 10. First line, second line, third. Array of y equals to 10. Array of I equals to 10. Array of I means the value of I 0 we already know equals to temp. Temp we are storing the value 1. So in ARR 0 we will store the value 1. Okay. Now let's update our array. In ARR 0 we will store 1. Okay. In ARR 0 we will store 1. It's updated array 1. In ARR 1 we will do nothing. In ARR 2 we will store value 5. And in ARR 3 we will do nothing. And in ARR 4 we will do nothing. Okay. Now our updated array is this. Now from now we will use this array, not that array. This is outdated array for now. Okay. So 1 4 5 3 2. 1 4 5 3 2. So then our I from here, our I is, this loop is I loop. Okay, so don't confuse here. This is starting bracket and this is closing bracket. So we have to increment the value of I by 1 now. So now I equals to 1. So I equals to 1. From now our updated array is this, and I equals to 1. So then we have to set int min equal to I. Min equals to I means minimum equals to 1. Okay, we have to remember this. J equals to I plus 1 means j equals to 2. 2 is less than j is less than n means 2 is less than 5. Okay, if array of j means array of 2 is less than array of min. Array of min means array of 1. So in array of 2, 0, 1, in array of 2 there is 5 is less than array of 1, 4, 5 is less than 4. I think no, like 5 is not less than 4. Then we will say no, it is not less than 4. Then what we have to do? We have to increment the value of j, not I. Then the value of j equals 3. If j equals to 3, the value of j will become 3, and this is again check the condition, 3 is less than 5. Yeah, 3 is less than 5. Then we have again compare array of j means array of 3 is less than array of min, right? In min we have the value 1. In arr 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. In arr 3 we have 3. In arr 1, 0, 1 is less than 4. Yeah, this is the correct condition. 3 is less than 4. Yes guys, everyone know that 3 is less than 4. Then what we have to do? Min equals j. Min equals j. J means 3. Now our min becomes 3 from 1. J equals to 1 from 3. From 1 to 3. Our min is 3. So we are at j equal to 3 right now. We have to again increment the loop like 1. At j equal to 4. At j equals to 4. At j equal to 4, j equal to 4. And again we have to test 4 is less than 4. Yeah. Then again it will go inside the loop, and again it will compare array of j means, here it is written array of j means array of 4 is less than array of min. What is the value of min? I think 3, right? If I am not wrong. Yeah, 3. It is 3. Array of min means array of 3. Let me write that array 1, 4, 5, 3, 2. 1, 4, 5, 3, 2. 1, 4, 5, 3, 2. Okay, in array 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In array 4, it is 2. 2 is less than array of 3. It is 3. 2 is less than 3. Yes. So 2 is less than 3. Yes guys, 2 is less than 3. I think everyone knows this kind of math, right? This level of math, I mean. Yeah, 2 is less than 3 guys. So we have to set the j value to min. Then our min will be updated. If yes, then update min. What are you waiting for? Update min. Update min will become the value of j. Right, value of j is 4. I think. Now our min is 4. New min. From now remember this min. Now at j equal to 5. At j equal to 5. J equal to 5. It will test the condition. 5 is less than 5. I say no. No. Then don't go inside the loop. If your condition is wrong, then don't never ever try to go inside the loop. Everyone know this level of programming, I think. So 5 is less than 5. I say no. Then it will move to this line. This line. Okay. Now see. Just 3 lines of code guys. Ready? temp equals array of mean. What is the mean? Array of 4. Okay, in temp we have to store the value of which is at arr 4. Then our temp will becomes temp will becomes 842, right? We have the value 2. Then we will store 2 in the variable temp. Okay, no confusion, right? Then in the next line it is written that array of mean equals to array of y. Array of mean equals array of I. In arr I, what is the value of I? 1, right? What is the value of I? 1. And what is the value of mean? 4. Equal to arr 1. In arr 1 it means arr 1, and in arr 1 it is written there is the value 4. So in arr 4 we will set the value 4. Okay, so again next line, this is our first line, this is our second line, and this is our third line. So in third line it is written that array of I equals to temp. Array of I equals to temp. Array of I means in array of 1 we will store the value of temp means 2. Okay, so in arr 1 we will store the value 2. So again our array will get updated. Everyone know from these 2 we have to set 2 in this index. In arr 1 we have to write 2. In arr 0 no change, right? In arr 1 we have to change. You can see here we have to write 2 here, 2. And arr 4 also we have to change. We have set it to 4. In arr 4 we have set it to 4. Rest of the index will not change. Now our updated array will becomes 1 2 5 3 4. 1 2 5 3 4. Updated array. From now we have to remember this array. Updated array. One, 2, 5, 3, 4. This is updated at I equals to 1, right? Now we will again increment the value of I with 1. Then our I will becomes 2. Our I will becomes 2. So it is written that our I becomes 3 and 3 is less than 4 and minus 1 means I minus 1 4. So if this condition is true, then we have to go inside the I loop, and inside the I loop we have written that int mean equals to I. Int mean equals to I means 3. Then we have our mean value 3. Then in J loop it is written that for j equals to I plus 1. I plus 1 means 4. J equal to 4. J is less than n. 4 is less than 5. Yes, condition is true. If condition is true, then we have to go inside the J loop. Now we are going inside the J loop. Array of J. Array of J means array of 4 is less than array of mean. Array of mean means 3. In arr 4 it is 4. 4 is less than 4. In arr 3 it is 10. 4 is less than 5. Yes, 4 is less than 5. Then we have to update mean. If condition is true, then yes, then we have to update mean. Update mean. Then our mean will become 4. From 3 our mean becomes 4. Our mean gets updated. Then again we will increment the value of j with 1. Now from j equal to 4, value of j will become 5. J equals to 5. Is 5 is less than 5? No. Then no need to go inside the j loop if condition is false. So now again we will deal with this tree line. This tree line is very crucial for selection sort. Okay, it is written temp equals array of mean. Array of mean. Mean means array of 4. I am writing directly. Okay. So in temp we will store the value of the array which is at index 4. At index 4 it is 4. Then in temp we will store the value 4. This is about first line. And in second line it is written that array of min equals to array of I. Array of min equals to array of I. Array of min, the value of min is 4 and the value of I is 3. Array of 3. So in ARR 4 we will store the value of ARR 3. In ARR 3 it is written that 5. Okay. Now in third line it is written that array of I equals to temp. Array of I equals to temp. Array of I, our value of I is 3. It is written here. In ARR 3 we will store the temp value which is 4. Okay. Now our updated array will becomes, we have to update only third and fourth index of the array. No change, in third index we have to write 4 and in fourth index we have to write 5. Now our updated array will becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's our updated array. Now again we are here, it is the ending of I loop. Then we have again increased the value of I by 1. Then our I is 3 right now, so our I will becomes 4. I equals to 4. Then we have to check the condition again. I is less than n minus 1 means 4 is less than n minus 1 means 5 minus 1. 4 is less than 4. Then no need to go inside the I loop also, right? This condition is false. 4 is less than 4. Now the I condition, the I loop is false. So we don't need to go inside the I loop. So we have completed till this line, and here we have written that sorted elements are 4. Then we will print this array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's check this program in the laptop. Guys, this is the same program which I have already explained you in the video, and let me check whether this program is correct or not. So I am going to click on the run button. So here you can see the message, enter the elements of the array. Now I am entering my elements which I have explained to you: 5, 3, 1, 2 and 4. So our output must be in sorted order. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sorted elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much guys for giving me your time. So keep on watching this kind of video. So meet you soon. Bye bye.